So, let's take a look at this question. We already know the 2 points of this line. Let us find the equation in point-slope form. The point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, which means we can use the slope m and one point of the line to find the equation. To find the slope m of a line given the coordinates of 2 points on the line, we can use the slope formula. If 2 different points are on a line, the slope of the line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Substitute parentheses 2 3 for parentheses x1 y1 and parentheses 3 5 for parentheses x2 y2. The result is m is equal to 5 minus 3 over 3 minus 2. Evaluate 5 minus 3 over 3 minus 2. We get 2. So the slope m is 2. Now substitute the slope m, parentheses x1 y1 into the equation. In this question, we already set parentheses 2 3b parentheses x1 y1, but in fact you can choose any one of these 2 points. So the equation in point-slope form of this line is y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 2. Congratulations! This problem has been solved.